In a world where technology surrounds you, your body is constantly exposed to a spectrum of light, including blue light. But what exactly is blue light, and how does it impact your health, particularly if you have Hashimoto's disease and hypothyroidism? Blue light, also known as high-energy visible or HEV light, is emitted by the sun and digital devices. It has a short wavelength and produces higher amounts of energy compared to other forms of light. During the day, exposure to blue light is essential for your body's daily functioning. Daytime blue light exposure boosts your alertness. It also improves your attention span. And it elevates your mood. Blue light is actually the most potent type of light for sleep and mood. Blue light regulates circadian rhythm and the sleep-wake cycle. Keeps you more alert and awake by decreasing sleepiness and increasing body temperature and heart rate. Blocks melatonin, the hormone responsible for the sleep-wake cycle. And blue light causes an increase in cortisol, a stress hormone. You don't want to get too much exposure to blue light, especially during the evening hours. Unfortunately, that's easy to do, because many of us are on our computers, tablets, e-readers, and smartphones at night, and these devices emit blue light. Using them close to bedtime results in shorter sleep, lower sleep quality, and longer time falling asleep. Studies have shown that prolonged exposure to blue light can also impact thyroid function, particularly in individuals with Hashimoto's disease and hypothyroidism. Getting sufficient amounts of quality sleep is crucial for people with hypothyroidism, who often struggle with fatigue. In addition to following sleep hygiene recommendations, you can actually use blue light to help facilitate better sleep. Here are some tips. Expose yourself to sufficient natural light, through the sun, during the daytime. Restrict or avoid using devices that emit blue light during the evening. If you must use such devices after sunset, enable nighttime light display settings on your devices. Be aware, however, that these modes don't totally block out blue light and still might keep you awake. Wear glasses or lenses that block blue light. Recent research suggests that blue light therapy may hold promise as a complementary treatment for Hashimoto's disease and hypothyroidism. What is blue light therapy? Blue light therapy is a non-invasive treatment that works by stimulating light-sensitive molecules at the cellular level, in cells known as chromophores. Chromophores absorb blue light, which then stimulates cellular processes, reduces inflammation, improves skin texture and tone, and accelerates healing. Blue light therapy is commonly used for sun damage, skin cancer, acne, and to stimulate collagen production. It's also used for seasonal depression. Blue light therapy is usually an outpatient procedure and is painless, quick, and considered quite safe. Blue light therapy can also have positive effects on hormonal balance and inflammation, making it a potential option that Hashimoto's and hypothyroidism patients can include in their thyroid treatment. For thyroid disorders, blue light therapy may help regulate the production of thyroid hormones and reduce inflammation in your thyroid gland. Blue light photobiomodulation, known as PBM, has been shown to be an effective therapy for some autoimmune diseases. PBM therapy uses lasers, LEDs, and broadband light to stimulate healing and tissue repair. A 2023 study looked at the effectiveness of PBM therapy, combined with supplements, in restoring thyroid gland balance in Hashimoto's patients. Participants who got PBM plus supplements lost more weight than supplements-only subjects. They also had an improved body mass index, known as BMI, and an improved waist-hip ratio. They also saw reduced levels of thyroid peroxidase antibodies. The PBM plus supplements group was also able to reduce their dosage of thyroid medications. Other benefits of blue light therapy for patients with Hashimoto's disease and hypothyroidism include influencing the release of certain hormones, including thyroid-stimulating hormone, known as TSH, and T4 and T3 thyroid hormones. Anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce thyroid inflammation. Boosted energy levels and improved mood due to increased release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter responsible for regulating mood. You can incorporate blue light therapy into your hypothyroidism treatment in several ways. Consult with your healthcare provider for guidance on whether blue light therapy is suitable for you and help design a comprehensive treatment plan. You can also invest in a blue light therapy device. There are various devices on the market, but make sure you pick a reputable brand. If you do get blue light therapy, set up a routine that fits your schedule. Ideally, plan sessions in the morning to mimic natural sunlight exposure. Finally, keep track of your progress, so you and your healthcare provider can assess the results. While blue light therapy is a promising new treatment for patients with Hashimoto's disease and hypothyroidism, remember that it's a complementary therapy that works alongside regular thyroid treatment. It's not meant to replace thyroid hormone medication. This video has been brought to you by Paloma Health, the nation's leading medical practice dedicated to hypothyroidism care. Learn more at www.palomahealth.com.